Hold my breath. It's like the feeling of my heartbeat out of my chest. Take a step. Try to quiet all the words spin around my head. Every door another chance to find all I've been waiting for.
My name's Joshua. I'm the best man. I've known Tyler for about 15 years now, and he's one of the most amazing people I've ever met. The picture I'm looking at right now on my phone is actually a picture of Tyler and Courtney on their proposal. When Tyler offered the trip to me, he said, "I want you to be my best man to film my proposal." I was immediately sold. Like, Tyler is my A1. Tyler is my brother. And now, Courtney, you become my sister in this moment.
I always knew that love was somewhere out there for me to find it. It was you that came and gathered all the stars just to guide us. I searched the whole world, every corner, every heart.
I, Tyler, take you, Courtney, to be my wife.
I, Courtney, take you, Tyler, to be my husband, to love and cherish from this day forward.
I promise to support you, honor you, and be there for you.
Through all of life's joys and challenges.
With all that I am, I pledge my love and fidelity to you.
I pledge all my love and fidelity to you.
To the ends of the earth, in the depths of the sea. To the ends of the earth, forever sweet.
Who wears the pants? Who's the better driver?
Tyler, before you came along, Courtney always talked about us being sister wives, and I was starting to think we were going to have to make that work. So thank you for taking her off of my hands. You have made my very deserving best friend unconditionally happy. You are one of a kind to be able to tame that beast. Seriously though, thank you for letting us all get to see this new light shining, Courtney.